If you're looking for the ultimate off-road performance shock for your lifted 2021 and newer Bronco Sasquatch, then you need the Bilstein B8 8112 ZoneControl CR DSA Plus front coilover. Featuring multiple adjustments for height, damping, rebound, and a ton of cool technology baked in, this is about as good as it gets, and it's a great fit for the Bronco owner who really wants to use their rig on challenging off-road conditions. Now, just a quick note on fitment before we dive in here. This one in particular is designed to fit the driver's side front corner of 2021 and newer Broncos equipped with the Sasquatch package that are lifted 1.2 to 2.1 inches. The passenger side and the matching rear shocks are also available on our site, and those are sold separately, so make sure you get all 4 of them in your cart before you buy so you can get the most performance possible out of your rig. Bilstein has long been a leader in suspension technology, and this B8 8112 has some of the coolest technology available on the market today. Positioned as part of the Black Hawk series, this builds on the principles of what makes the B8 fundamentally a great shock, but it adds all of Bilstein's Halo technology. Now, one of the biggest highlights here is the zone control position sensitive damping. Inside of the shock, you actually get 3 pistons. 1 full-size digressive piston and 2 secondaries with built-in adjustments. The first is the JCO or Jounce cutoff that has an adjustable 2-stage telescoping internal compression stop. So this is going to eliminate the need for an external bump stop and allows you to customize the experience with the goal of keeping the shock from bottoming out. On the other end, you're going to find a rebound cutoff or RCO and internal spring to improve deceleration and help stabilize the shock following a large compression event. So let's say you take your Bronco off of a jump and you come crashing back down. That is going to stabilize the shock when you hit the ground. Now, this also eliminates the need for an external limit strap, as everything is contained within the shock itself. Now, the goal here is to ensure that your Bronco will maintain a comfortable ride and allow you to keep control even under high load or through large suspension inputs. You can also dial this in exactly the way you want to. You've got dual speed adjustable high and low compression adjustment here through the dials on the remote reservoir. You get 20 different settings for the low speed, which is the gold dial up top here, and 10 different settings for the high speed damping, which is the big blue dial here. So you can have a little bit more low speed compression, you can have a little bit less high speed. You can dial this in exactly the way that you want to. You can also adjust that Jounce control or JCO cutoff here via the dial at the top of the shock. This is going to give you 10 clicks of adjustment too, so you can adjust these in any number of ways to suit the way that you're going to use your Bronco. Now, the external reservoir, that is a 60mm wide unit, and it gives you a ton of extra capacity to aid in all of this damping and rebound performance. You'll even find a finned housing to help with heat dissipation. And genuinely, I think this might be the biggest remote reservoir I've seen this side of a trophy truck. The threaded spring perch down here also allows you additional ride height adjustability if you need to dial that in, though it does come ready to go right out of the box, but you can get up to 3 inches of additional height. Now, all of this is going to add up to serious performance and excellent ride quality, and every one of these is tuned for specific applications. So here you're going to find a 400 pound per inch spring rate, and it is selected specifically for the Sasquatch package equipped Bronco to work with your rig and this really cool shock. Now, construction, as we've come to expect from Bilstein, is top-notch. Aerospace quality components are utilized throughout. The body of the shock is made from aluminum with a gray powder coating over top. You're gonna find more of that aluminum at the top mounts and down here at the bottom too, plus on that remote reservoir. Everything is coated as well to help protect it against corrosion, and connecting the 2 pieces is this big stainless steel line. Now, this is a braided stainless steel line underneath, but it's actually got a cloth braided cover over top of it too. At the mounting points, you're gonna find high quality materials as well, more aluminum chrome plates and upgraded bushings for less deflection. The spring is made from cold wound shot peen steel, so it's strong and has had all the imperfections removed before the material was finished in the gloss black powder coat that you see here, again for additional protection. It comes fully assembled and ready to bolt onto your Bronco too, and the best part is this is fully rebuildable and revalvable, and you can even do that yourself if you get the right parts from Bilstein and you've got some mechanical skills. But overall, this is a super high quality shock absorber, the likes of which I have not seen pretty much anywhere else. However, of course, that is going to come in at a price. And that price is going to be about $1,900 per shock. Now, no getting around it, the cost is steep here. However, if you want the performance, you gotta be willing to pay for it. There is really nothing else quite like this on the market for these Broncos, and really, the performance, the adjustability, the durability, they cannot be overstated. There is a reason for the price tag, but you really get what you pay for in this situation, and if you can swing it, trust that it will be worth the investment. Now again, remember that this is only for one shock that we're talking about. You are gonna need all 4 to go around the Bronco. We do have them available on our site, but it is gonna cost you quite a bit to get all 4 of them, though you definitely want to do these all in one shot because that's gonna make the biggest difference, and it's gonna make your Bronco ride and drive excellent. Installation gets a 2 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 1 hour to complete. Again, this is designed to be ready to bolt onto your Bronco right out of the box. You don't need to mess with the spring compressor, and you can just unbolt your original coilover and swap this right in its place. Now, as always, when you swap out suspension components, you'll want to get an alignment done once you've got it all buttoned back up. Also keep in mind, we are talking about a singular shock here, so if you're doing the other front shock and the matching rears in one go, it's gonna take you a bit more time. But even if you've never messed with suspension components before, this is a pretty straightforward task that you can easily accomplish at home, and specific instructions are included. You're just gonna need some time and some patience. That's gonna wrap it up here for our review and install the Bilstein B8 8112 ZoneControl CR DSA Plus front driver side coilover fitting 2021 and newer Broncos, equipped with the Sasquatch package and a 1.2 to 2.1 inch lift. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.